So, first up, the DJI Osmo 360. Thanks to fresh leaks by Igor Bogdanov, we now have a much clearer look at what's coming. The leaked images show not one, but two kits, a standard version and a creator combo. The standard kit gives you the essentials: the camera, a black rubber lens cap, a single battery, USB-C to USB-C cable, microfiber cloth, and a carrying pouch with the Osmo logo. Pretty straightforward, right? But DJI knows creators want more. The creator combo ups the game, adding 2 extra batteries, a multi-battery charger, an extension rod, and a magnetic mount with a cold shoe. There's even a 2-prong mount suggesting compatibility with DJI's existing action cam accessories. Plus, we spotted a charging case shaped like the one from the Osmo Action line. Smart reuse or brilliant disguise? You decide. Now here's the juicy part. The renders reveal silver electrical connectors at the bottom of the camera, strongly hinting at a modular design, just like DJI's previous action cameras. We're also seeing sharp design cues reminiscent of the GoPro Max compact, rounded lenses, dual-sided capture. You get the idea. Rumors say the sensor size might be 1.3 inches. But DJI's staying quiet. And yes, that infamous short clip floating online, total plan leak vibes. The guy filming is like, right there, casually revealing the camera's design. Coincidence? We think not. And someone who claims to have seen test footage says the Osmo 360's image quality smokes the Insta360 X5. That's a bold claim but not impossible. With DJI's track record, they just might pull it off. Let's talk tech. Tear-down shots reveal a clever 45 mirror trick, just like the Insta360 X3. This allows light to bounce internally, saving space, basically camera Tetris at its finest. The manual confirms DJI Mimo app integration, a 1950 mAh battery, 30 West USB-C fast charging, and Bluetooth, Wi-Fi support. You've got touchscreen and physical controls, full accessory support, and 2 antennas on the side, possibly for stronger wireless transfer and even live streaming. DJI clearly wants this to be your go-to immersive cam. Even the FCC listing popped up, showing the Osmo 360, codenamed OQ1, tested back in early September. That's our biggest clue yet, that it's launching very soon, likely before the holidays. But here's the plot twist. Tipster Jasper Ellen says there's no reseller chatter, no prototypes in stores. Could global trade tensions be holding it back? Possibly. But DJI's intention is clear. They're gunning for the 360 market. Mini 5 Pro leaked details, 4 o'clock to 5:30, and just when you thought it couldn't get spicier, DJI drops a Mini 5 Pro teaser. Mauro Tandoi shared a cryptic video showing a mountain biker and what looks like the Mini 5 Pro chilling nearby, folding props, vented motors. No protective guards. It screams performance. Leaked FCC documents confirm a 4,680 mAh battery. That's a jump from the Mini 4 Pro and could mean up to 55 minutes of flight time. That's insane for a sub-to-5 OG drone with a 1-inch sensor. The Mini 5 Pro brings Mavic-grade imaging to your backpack. There's talk of front-facing infrared sensors, smoother gimbal movement, and even voice controls. Think DJI Orbit mode. Yes, it's getting that smart. You'll also get internal storage, better obstacle detection, and potentially in-app audio recording for vloggers. DJI's not playing around. Professional opinions and market impact. 5:30 to 6:30, DJI's clearly taking a swing at Insta360 and GoPro, to brands that have dominated action and 360 content for years. The Osmo 360's leaked schematics and dual-lens compact design feel like a direct response to the GoPro Max delay and the Insta360 X5's price tag. Meanwhile, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be the drone for creators, especially those who want premium features without FAA registration hassles. If DJI nails the pricing around $550, $600 for the Osmo 360, and $850, $1,200 for the Mini 5 Pro, they'll hit a sweet spot that could pull creators away from competing brands. So, is DJI about to shake up both the 360 camera space and redefine ultralight drones? All signs say yes. We're looking at modular design, insane battery life, professional-grade sensors, and next-gen flight systems, all backed by DJI's proven legacy. But now it's your turn. Would you choose DJI's Osmo 360 over Insta360 or GoPro? Is the Mini 5 Pro the drone you've been waiting for? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. We read every one of them. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe to stay in the loop, and check out our exclusive Osmo Pocket 3 review and Mini for Pro comparison video, both linked right here on the end screen. Stay creative, stay curious, see you in the next one.